This unit is pretty much layered all the way around. I think that this length looks really, really good. This will be good for a holiday party or just something you want to wear every day. This is going to be on the low maintenance side. It's beginner friendly. It's not gonna break the bank. And Miss Ma'am looks good. This is a cap size 1. I do have a small head. It fits me perfectly. I adjusted the strap. I also adjusted the elastic band, and I used the drawstring, and it's on. Let's go ahead and get to installing this unit. This one is going to be very easy and simple.